first weekend of spring season, and we decided to go on a road trip. And guess what? We're also going to have a staycation. So past few weeks it was lockdown here in New Zealand, so it was quite boring for us because we were stuck at home. So now that we're allowed to travel, we just thought, why not explore? So driving us is Mr. Nishant Rodrigo,
the driver.
Yes, of course, he's the driver, and I am the navigator. And how are you doing, Nishant?
Doing well.
You're doing well? Okay. Okay, drive safely. Now that my mom and my son is at the back seat, and so I'll take you along. We've just halted in a place called Tairua for a break, like for a lunch break and a loo break. So I just noticed this beautiful, amazing old classic car just behind me. If you can see, it looks amazing, isn't it? We're staying in a resort called Matarangi Resort, and I have no idea how it's going to look like, so let's go and explore. I just heard that it's nice and beautiful, and I don't know, it has nice scenic view and all. Let's wait and see. Alright guys, so we've already reached our resort. Apparently, Nishant actually booked the resort, and he didn't tell me how it's going to look like and the name of the resort or anything of that sort, and he just told me it's a cool surprise. And I've just come and seen the resort, and it's so beautiful. I'm just totally speechless. This is the coolest surprise I've got in my lifetime. Have a look. To a beach that's very close to our resort. It looks so amazing. I'll show you guys how it looks like. The beach is so amazing. There's not a single person over here, and it's so nice and so beautiful. The sand is like white in color, and it's pretty much clean because I think there's not many people. And look at this, amazing. Wow. Hello? Hello? What's happening? Okay, let him walk. What is this? Let him walk, let him walk. Guys, so in a few minutes time we are leaving this villa, and it was a beautiful getaway for us. In fact, you know, last couple of weeks it was lockdown here in New Zealand and we were not allowed to go out anywhere. We were just stuck in inside our house and inside a confined spaces. So it was very hard for me. Basically I was emotionally you know stressed, and I was moody, and I was a little bit grumpy, I need to admit that. And that's the reason we just planned this trip, and I just feel it paid off. I feel so much more refreshed and so much more happy. In fact, my son was also really happy. And I think once all this you know, lockdown is over, everybody should plan a trip like this so that they feel you know, recharged again. And it's Monday tomorrow and we need to go back to work. So yeah, it was a good break. And again, we have lots of places to go on the way, probably some beach or somewhere, and then back home and again back to work tomorrow. Right? Right? Right, Dylan? Yay! This guy behind me here, he had made a lot of plans. He just thought, he just booked the villa and he thought he'll sit in the lounge and he'll sip a you know, cup of tea or coffee, and then he'll enjoy the view and he will relax. But ultimately what happened?
I was babysitting.
Babysitting, literally. You know, once you have a baby, or our son is a toddler already, you cannot relax. And sipping a cup of coffee is far from reality, at least for the next 5 years, unless the baby is sleeping. So he was full on playing. So if you have a toddler, you just can't relax, you're running after the baby. So did it go as planned, Nishan? Yeah, but then it's part of life, isn't it? Part and parcel of life. Yeah, but it was fun anyway. Back home, and in about 1.5 hours we'll be home. On our way back from the resort, you know, we took a very beautiful route. We took a route you know, that covers dense forest. It was so beautiful, it was full of greenery, it was amazing. And just as we crossed the forest, it was like 30 to 40 kilometers, it was just the Coromandel beach. It was beautiful. You know, the drive was really amazing. It was a very good weekend, I would say. We spent it really well. And I just have one question for Mr. Nishan Rodrigo. I need you to give me an honest confession. Would you?
Honest confession?
Yes.
So that means there's another one called dishonest?
No, come on.
Confession also?
Yeah, that I'll talk to you in private about dishonest confession, but give me an honest confession now. Would you? Shall I ask you the question? Okay, did you actually plan all this surprise trip and all this just because I was moody and grumpy and irritated and fussy last few
that doesn't mean that whenever you're grumpy, you're gonna get another vacation.
Oh my god. I just wanted a cat so that I could use this trick for my next trip also. No, was it the reason that you planned this trip? Yes? Say it loud and I need to hear it.
Yes.
Yes. You know, I should confess, I was very moody, and I was not moody and like I was like not grumpy actually. I was moody and I was quiet. I don't know what happened to me. Some days are like that, and so that's why perhaps if not, he will have a hard time at home, so he took me out, right? Yeah, the smile says it all. Alright guys, so for all the wives out there who's watching this video, this is a good trick, alright?